Good day, my wonderful learners. We still want to continue with the part of a circle, and I want to encourage you to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Number 5, circumference. This is the distance around the circle, and it is also known as the perimeter of the circle, and it's usually denoted by C. So this is the circumference of a circle. Then we talk about the arc. Arc is the circumference of the circle that cuts off by a chord, and we have two types of arc. We have major arc and minor arc. Major arc is the arc of the major segment, while minor arc is the arc of the minor segment. Then we also have sector. Sector is the area of a circle bounded by two radii and an arc, and this is the diagrams to explain it. Thank you very much. See you in another class.